DJI has unveiled the Matrice 40 Enterprise drone, featuring cutting-edge sensors, AI-powered tools, and suite of capabilities aimed at improving aerial operations across various industries. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. This series, including Matrice 40 and Matrice 4E, is designed to address a range of challenges in public safety, construction, and infrastructure inspection. The Matrice 40 is equipped with an array of sensors designed to provide precise measurement and detailed visual for day or night operations. This includes a 70 medium telephoto camera capable of identifying small details such as screws and cracks from 10 meters away. For longer range inspections, the 168 telephoto camera captures intricate details from up to 250 meters. Additional features include a laser range finder with a measurement range of 1800 meters and a wide-angle 24 camera for broader imaging needs. The Matrice 40 also integrates an infrared thermal camera, which supports high-resolution mode up to 1024 by 1280 pixels, making it suitable for applications requiring heat detection, such as energy management and search and rescue missions. The Matrice 40 introduces new functionalities designed specifically for search and rescue missions. Vehicles and vessels can be quickly detected, even in challenging terrains. The cruise control feature allows the drone to maintain constant speeds, enabling pilots to focus on multitasking when paired with the DJI Pilot 2 app. Operators can map areas already covered during a search, ensuring that no section is overlooked. These features, combined with DJI's model training tools and on-board computing capabilities, enabling certified third-party developers to create customized applications for the drones. Low-light environments pose no obstacle for the Matrice 40. With enhanced night mode and larger apertures, the drones deliver clear visuals during dusk or nighttime operations. This is equipped with fixed high-definition low-light fisheye lenses that enable intelligent obstacle detection, rerouting, and safe returns even in urban settings. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.